Hi guys, this is Smita Dev, and today on our delicious journey we're going to be making एक nirala hi dish. But before that, let me tell you a small story. My house is a very food-centric house. When we sit to eat breakfast, we think what we'll have for lunch, and by the time lunch is done, we wonder what we're going to have for dinner. And I'm a person who loves to experiment with food, and the Desi me loves to use all the Desi ingredients even while making the Videshi khana. So today, on our delicious journey, we are going to be making the Bajra risotto. So for that, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil and add a tablespoon of butter to it. So now let's add 1 onion that's finely chopped and just saute it for a minute, not more. Do not brown the onions, okay? Now to this, add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic and saute this also for a minute. So here I have soaked 1/4 kg of whole bajra for almost 8 hours. Basically, bajra is very heaty in nature and it's a wonderful dish to be had in the winters. Abhi Bombay में थोड़ा winter आ गया है. It is a little cold. In fact, you know, these days I find it so difficult to wake up in the morning, and I thought I'm the only one who's probably not feeling well or what. But then when I asked my team members, they also said they are going through the same thing. So I was like, relieved. So yeah, talking helps, doesn't it? So now we'll add the soaked bajra. Now to this, add 200 ml of wine, white wine. Now I'm adding my favorite one, which is the pink Moscato. I'm going to add 200 ml of this. You can add white as well as pink, whatever is easily available. And now just simply add little water. I'll tell you how much. About half a liter of water to this. And pressure cook this. Now give it 4 to 5 whistles on a medium to low flame. So now let's see how the bajra is looking. Nice. It's cooked beautifully. Switch on the flame again. Add whatever vegetables you like or whatever you have in the house. You can add bell peppers, you can add zucchini, you can add broccoli, asparagus, green peas, carrots, whatever vegetables are at home, just add that. And now add some salt. So basically I've just added half a cup of chopped red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper and broccoli. Now we'll add some pepper as well. Say a teaspoon of pepper powder. Now if you're making this for your children, please do not add wine. You can add vinegar, but not so much. Maybe about 50 ml of vinegar is good enough. And you can add vegetable stock or you can add chicken stock or any meat stock while you're cooking the bajra. So this is when you're doing it for your kids. This is actually a very good dish to even pack in their tiffin. Just let it boil for a minute. Add Parmesan cheese, about half a cup of Parmesan cheese, grated Parmesan cheese. It comes nice and creamy. It's smelling so delicious. Now reduce the flame, or even if you switch it off, it's okay, and add half a cup of cream. So this is like a nice, delicious, creamy risotto. Now, if you find that cream is too heavy, you can add milk also to this. But I like cream, yeah. Sometimes it's good to eat cream, jo bhi, and burn it out. Exercise, walk. I mean, I am also walking these days. Don't look at me and say, what is she talking? I've also started walking. I also have load of health issues because of which I'm on medications that make me put on weight. But, theek hai yaar. It's okay. Now I'm going to switch on the flame again and cook it on a very low flame till the whole thing just thickens out a little. Our bajra risotto is ready. It's nice and thick as well. Now shut the flame and serve it in a serving bowl along with some salad, not garlic bread, but along with some salad of your choice. And I'm sure you're going to love this. And for more such desi twists, please keep watching Smita Dev.